Watching the galahs in the tree destroy it. You can see the tree dead, dying. Oh, here's one. You can get him? Where is he? I can see him. Just can't see him. There he is. I don't want to get that one. Where is he? There's a, I think it's a hazelnut or something tree. You can see money. I have my camera out so we'll zoom in far enough. I really want to know how they rip the nuts open. So the balance on one foot, use the other foot to eat the nut while swinging on a tree branch. I don't get it, but it keeps going blurry when I get close. Yeah. I don't know if the camera's still, but yeah. So you only ate one nut and then threw the other three on the ground. Wow. I'll see him out again. I've lost him. He's there. Just in there somewhere. Can't see him. I'm going further over. Where is he? No. Sorry, blurred. Stupid camera. Come on, focus, you stupid camera. It is over blurred, look. Why don't focus? Get in there, but the camera's fucked. Come on, focus, you stupid thing. Can't get the stupid camera to focus. Come on, focus, you stupid thing. Sorry, I'm whopping. There you go, you're in camera now, mate. Looking right at me. Sorry it's blurry, I can't fix the balloon. Come on, you stupid camera. You're only like 10 feet away. Are you staring at me too? Lovely birds in a wrecky neighbourhood. They're totally decimating this tree. Try and use the wheel on the thing with it stiff. And totally devastating. This tree getting mutilated. There's more nuts on the tree and then actually this is what this tree does. What they do to the tree. Watch me walk around. Look at this. This is the carnage of I'm gonna get hammered by. Carnage of these things. Oh. This is the carnage you have to put up with every day. And this idiot owns a house, don't give a shit about fucking tree. Look at it. There it is, I have to walk on this, look. I annoyed him. See, look, a mess I have to put up with every day. Delightful. Tons of it. Oh, and they hurt when you step on it. Look at this mess. Every bloody year I have to do this. Look. Doesn't seem much, but freaking the whole ground's covered. Look. You can see. Look at the devastation over there. Mess, mate. Fucking mess. All from this one stupid tree. Now look. This is every year. Cleaned it all up. They're all these nuts. There you go. They're just half eaten. So they don't even eat them all. They just. I don't know. Walnut? Hazelnut? I don't know. Can't remember what nuts they are. See? They only eat half and then they spit them out. I'll throw them around. Yeah, what nuts you call these? So basically they don't eat them, they just half eat it and then throw it on the ground. And then another one. The tree's got a fungus in it. It's dying, so basically all the nuts. See, look, the nuts don't even. See, look, the nuts are not even nuts inside, because the tree is just, it's just gone all soft and soggy. Look. The tree's got fungus in it, so basically the nuts are gone fungusly. Yeah, look, see, they're not even right nuts inside. They're the nuts of fungus. So basically, they eat the nuts with the fungus, fly away, shit the fungus out, and then the fungus overtakes another tree. And if they've got fungus on their feet, so look. So basically, they're transmitting the fungus off this tree onto all the other trees. They're not even nuts inside. Look. They're all yellow and like, the nut's not even a nut, it's like just gooey fungus, like a, see? They're just, that's what they're pulling off the tree. So you can see the fungus growing on it. See? All the green. And all the nuts are black inside. Even the outside's a lot. So I got a carnage. Should I clean it or should the neighbours clean it? Because it's their tree. Which do you think? Should I clean it up? The hell of a mess. Look. Don't know if you can see it in the camera, but he's freaking billions of nuts. And you have to stand on these things. Look. I'm a smoker. And the fingers. You can see all the nuts are all like a yellowy, mouldy colour. Look. Don't know. See, they pulled that nut out, but it's all like a yellowy fungus on it. All the nuts are like that. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera because it's bloody stupid thing keeps blurring. Don't know if you can see that. See the whole nut's just fungus. Yellow fungus inside the nuts. So they're eating the nuts. Fly away. So he didn't even eat any of them, just knocked them off the tree. See, a whole bunch, just wasted. You can see all the end of the nuts are all like fungus, dying, and they're gooey, like they're not. Yeah, they're all dying, look. See? And it's just fell off a tree. So it's growing on the tree, and it's fungus, dying as well, and fungus. Yeah, there you go. I peeped on that one. Yeah, look, you just see the nuts are just completely dead inside. But they're all gone. They're not even a nut, they're all gooey. So, definitely have to wash my hands. See? Stupid camera. I don't know. The tree's got fungus. Tree's dying. Oh, I've got another 2 feathers. I like catching them. Oh, look at this one. Beautiful. Look at that feathers. And that little one. I always get the galah feathers. Look at that. It's like a greeny colour on the lid. Really dirty. Yeah, look, it's got a green tinge to the feather. I wonder if that's the fungus that's getting into the... You can't see it really on camera, but the parakeets are usually... galahs are usually pure white, but you can see the leaf. Ooh! Try not to record you. Recording that. The birdies. But I'm just looking at the galah. The feathers are green.
The feathers?
Yeah. See? Rosy doozy. See they got like a green tinge to them now?
Oh, yeah.
And I notice on the nuts they're all green as well.
It's weird, isn't it?
No, but they're normally just pure white. So the galahs are getting infected by the... And I checked all the nuts, and the nuts are all got fungus in them. And they're dead before they even hit the ground.
The birds are coming for them, taking them.
Told you that. And they say they're all coming... Yeah. Stripping the tree bare. It's falling apart.
You let Tabitha into that?
No. Told her she's not allowed in no more. She got the shits and ripped up me pink thing at the door. You know, the pink smelly thing hanging on the door, she ripped it up. So now...
Really?
Yeah.
You tell her why she's banned?
Yeah. Because she blocked me on Facebook. And she's, oh no, I didn't.
Yeah, she's had plenty of time to unblock you. She didn't know.
There's Ticky Tig. Hello Ticky Tig, you can say hello to the camera. Hey Ticky, you want a feather? What about you, Soots? These are the ladies' cats downstairs. Here's the Soots. Yeah. Feather. Birdie. Here's Rosy. You want a feather too? Say hello to the camera. Hello, everybody in YouTube land. What? Yeah. She smells lovely today, don't you, Rosie? She's old. How old's Rosie?
I rearranged my lounge room.
Again. How old's Rosie?
14.
14. Yeah. So, old lazy Rosie. Yeah. Hello, Rosie. Say hello to YouTube. Yeah. And he's Soots. My favourite cat. And me Soots. There's a birdie. You can say hello to the camera. And kiss it. Kiss the camera. Yeah. She follows me everywhere.
No?
She follows me everywhere.
Who?
This one.
Sooty.
No.
She's got her eye on something here.
Where?
I don't know what it is.
I didn't put anything down.
No, it's a critter. She's been watching whatever it is that's over there somewhere. It's been looking at her eye.
Oh, you eating something in there, Soots? Huh? Trying to munch on a mousey? You trying to eat a mousey? You get all the mousies? Come on, get it. You can't get it. Meow. What? What's wrong, cutie pie? What's wrong, cutie pie? And Rosie just sitting there. Yeah, smile for the camera. You gonna smile for the camera, Soots? Come on, Soots. Come on, Sooty Soots. With what? Mozzies? Snooty snoots. Got anything to say? Talk about? Hey? Yeah, tree's dying. It's got a fungus in the tree. And then the big tree over there is dying too. It's got a fungus. It didn't attack the bananas yet. Strange. This one's dying, a bush. It's got a fungus on it too. What? I don't know if that's related to it. I don't know. Yeah, it's a hell mess. I mean,